Walmart, my local Walmart. Popped in to get a few things, but I figured I'd stop here and see what they have. Everything's wet because it's been raining all afternoon. I think it's about 7 o'clock right now. But I just wanted to see what they have. I'm actually looking to see what's new in their Desert Escape. I'm in the mood for some cacti. Let's see. They have their Costa Farms Trending Tropicals here, Calatheas, and the alocasia there, Alocasia Corazon, some Trubii, the usual suspects. And here they have a jade. Oh, here on this side they do have here's the Costa Farms. These little minis are $2. Mini succulents, $2. But they look like they've been in better shape. Now these are cute. These are little Kalanchoe. These are cute for $2. And these are $6.96. These are a little bit bigger. Looks like 5-inch pots. Look at the vibrancy on this Echeveria from the sun stress. So pretty. There's those ones that were $2 individually, $6.96, and there's 3 in this pot. It's like a panda. These I think are chocolate soldiers, Kalanchoes. Some more pandas, some aloes. And they do have some hanging ones here, $14.96. Some hanging ones. Now these are 6-inch pots, $8.96. These are even bigger ones. $8.96. Here's the one I got. Oh, look at this one's blooming. It's pretty. Oh, what are you, honey? It's $4.97. It does not say what type of cactus this is, but it sure is nice, isn't it? Looks like it's actively growing too. Okay, something to think about. These are bigger euphorbias, $19.96. That's actually a good price for these huge euphorbia trigonas and the ruba. And they look in fabulous shape. Look at all the leaves on those are actively growing. That's a good price on them. Over on this side, oh, I do like this calathea. Plants with benefits. That one's nice. I don't know, does it say the name? Just says Calathea species. Rosea pictus there. Some Sansevierias. Some larger, oh, they're like a little beat up peace lilies. $24.84. Those are large ones, 10-inch pots. Ooh, look at you. $15.97. Costa Farms, that is a ceramic pot. That looks pokey for sure. Like that. That looks nice in that pot. Quadrilocara afra, $15.97. It's like a little bonsai tree. It's really nice. It's Mammillaria, $4.97. That's nice. Oh, the ferns are loving this humidity. Because it is humid. $8.96. This is a Better Homes and Garden plant. Dracaena here, also Better Homes and Garden, which I had not seen that. It's $8.96. Plants with benefits. Golden pothos. Oh. You guys must get tired of seeing me empty pots. There is a very grateful aglaonema favorites, I am. Oh, okay, here we go. $4.97. I have one similar to this already. I'm still looking for that one that I left at the other Walmart, and I'm kicking myself for not getting that one mammillaria that I saw. It's similar to this, if not, it's this very one. Maybe this very one. Looks like that one's bloomed, or is that a fake flower? No, I think that's an actual real flower on it. $5.47 for that one. Here's the blue one. I have the blue one. Some Etrevarias that have seen better days. This is a rippled jade down here. $97. Let's see what they have over in the clearance. Here's a chameleon. ZZ. And here they have some really large Sansevieras and fiddle-leaf figs in 10-inch pots, $24.88. These are plants with benefits. $24.84 for the fiddle-leaf fig too, which actually is a good price. These look pretty healthy. So, yeah, they look pretty healthy. That's actually a good price. Ooh, this topiary has seen better days. And they have a very sad looking seaweed blue there. $18.84. Cupid peperomia variegated. $18.84 also. And nothing in there clearance. Nothing good. These are all hanging or outdoor plants. Oh, these look terrible. Oh my gosh, why do they even bother having them out here? $19.84 for these bushes, berry bushes, blueberries and such. Well, I think that's all she wrote for Walmart. Let's go home and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so we are back home, and let me give you just a quick tour of what I got. It's not a huge haul, it's only 3 pieces. But I got this cactus here, and it does not give a name of exactly what it is. It just says cactus, and it was $5.47. But I looked it up, I Google lensed it, and it is a pharaoh cactus. And I'll put the name of what I think it is up on the screen here, but a pharaoh cactus. I thought it was just so cool with its spines, the way that they bend out like that. Very cool. It looks like it's actively growing right there. So in the wild, these tend to get big, but obviously I'm going to keep it contained in a pot so it won't get too much bigger than maybe a 6-inch pot. But this, I believe, will go out in my patio and get some morning sun out there. Next one I used to have, and I left it behind, is this domino cactus. I've already taken off the little fake flower on top. I gotta finish cleaning it up with the glue and stuff like that. But this was $5.47 also. And these are heavy because it had rained, and so you know, I'm not going to be watering them for quite a while because they have plenty of water in them. But these bloom absolutely beautiful. So I'm excited to have one of these again and have it bloom for me, this domino cactus. Now, the last one, I was on my way out, actually headed for the cash register, and then I saw it. And I didn't know that they sold these so inexpensively here. This is a spider plant. And look how big it is. It's got lots of runners going and babies shooting out. This is the kind that has the white stripe on the edge of the leaf. But look at how much they're selling these there for. You believe that? $2.97 for this. I guess it's a 5-inch pot, kind of oblong. But look at the roots on the bottom, and it's really hard. So this needs some repotting here soon. I'm gonna probably have it here in my plant room, hanging over there in that corner. And yeah, I used to have one of these. It didn't make it in Arizona. I'm hoping that here in Florida it will do better. And I could not believe that they were selling these for $3 there at the Walmart. And it's got so much, you know, growth on it and stuff. So yeah, you know, this is definitely reminds me of like the 70s, you know, in a macrame. Can you see it? Your grandma had these in the 70s hanging in a macrame. And I think that's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to hang it in a macrame in my plant room because I am a little granny chic. There you go, friends. Just a short, quick trip to Walmart, and I got some nice cacti and a nice little spider plant. And I appreciate your coming along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Georgie, I'm almost done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, Georgie, what's wrong? I will see you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye now. Have a blessed day. Bye.